Unraveling the mystery of Wild Goose Chase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in casual conversations: wild goose chase. Understanding idiomatic expressions like this one is key to mastering the nuances of the English language. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the meaning behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, wild goose chase, refers to a futile search or pursuit of something unattainable, leading to a wasted effort. It's like chasing after wild geese that you can never catch, symbolizing an endeavor that is unlikely to yield any positive results. This idiom is often used to describe actions that are pointless, misdirected, or without a clear goal. The origin of wild goose chase dates back to the 16th century. It was first recorded in Shakespeare's play, Romeo and Juliet, where it was used to describe a horse race in which horses followed a led horse in a formation similar to wild geese flying in a V shape. Over time, the meaning evolved to represent a senseless pursuit or search. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. I spent all afternoon on a wild goose chase trying to find a book that's out of print. Trying to get a refund from that company is like going on a wild goose chase. He sent us on a wild goose chase looking for a restaurant that closed years ago. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to various situations where effort is expended on something unlikely to succeed or be found. Congratulations! You've now unraveled the mystery of the phrase, wild goose chase. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning but also the cultural and historical context behind this and other idiomatic expressions. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about the phrases that give it color and life. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Happy learning!